October 1916, Brooklyn, New York. Margaret Sanger opens America's first birth control clinic. Jeanette Rankin becomes the first woman elected to Congress, and Emma Goldman is arrested for delivering a lecture on birth control. In the 90 years that follow, women will win the vote. Rosie the Riveter will forever change the concept of women's work. Rosa Parks will make history with the act of sitting down. And Martin Luther King's dream will echo across the land.
Brothers, I have a dream today.
These years will bring the pill and Roe v. Wade, the feminist movement and the fight for the ERA. The Mexico City policy will trample on women's rights, while the Cairo Consensus will empower women and promote reproductive health. The 80s will usher in a campaign of clinic violence, while the 90s will usher in the year of the woman and girls' empowerment. 8 years of a pro-choice president will give way to an all-out war on women, sparking the largest march in U.S. history. 2006 will prove great for emergency contraception and cervical cancer prevention. But it will be daunting for abortion access. And changes on the U.S. Supreme Court will pose a threat to reproductive rights.
Say Roe! Choice! Dignity! It's our responsibility to say Roe! Say Roe!
Margaret Sanger launched a global movement in the face of conflict and confrontation, ignorance and hate. But Planned Parenthood has thrived despite adversity, and in new and innovative ways, we'll march forward to serve humanity.